Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Ring snapshots to Google Photos automatically step by step clearly. Open your computer or mobile device. Begin by opening the Google Photos app. If you don't have it installed, download and install the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once open, sign in with your Google account. Next, head to the Ring app on your device. Ensure you have the latest version of the Ring app installed. Open the Ring app and navigate to the camera section. Select the camera for which you want to back up snapshots. Review the saved snapshots available. Choose the snapshots you wish to back up by tapping on them. Look for the share icon, usually represented by an arrow. Tap on the share icon. From the share options, select Google Photos. You may need to grant permission for the Ring app to act. Once you've selected Google Photos, choose the album where you want to store the snapshots. Tap on Upload or Save to complete the process. Now, those snapshots will be automatically uploaded to your chosen Google Photos album. To ensure automatic backup, you'll need to set it up properly. Open the Google Photos settings by tapping on your profile picture or initials. Select Photos settings from the menu options. Locate the Backup and Sync option and enable it. Confirm that the Backup Device Folders section includes the folder where your Ring snapshots are saved. Once this is set, any new snapshots from the Ring app will be backed up automatically to Google Photos. Close both the Ring and Google Photos apps. You have successfully set up automatic backup for your Ring snapshots to Google Photos. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.